In this video, we are going to show you how to create SCC files for broadcast. Scenarist Closed Caption files are known to be the standard for broadcast television. Let's start off by opening your project in Closed Caption Creator. Once you're ready to export your project, select the Export icon. Click Subtitle File. Choose your desired event group. Then, under File Extension, select SCC as the export format. Scenarist V 1.0 and Scenarist V 1.0 Advanced will be visible under Profile. Select your desired option. Choose your general options based on your preferences. Lastly, click Export to save your SCC file. You have now successfully created SCC caption files for broadcast. If you found this video useful and would like to learn more, please visit our website at www.closedcaptioncreator.com.